So I'm not sure if you guys had a chance to play around with this in the computer lab when I took you in there that one day, but now that we know what this B value is, it deals with rotations, we can play around with this guy. So right now we have basically a circle with a radius of 1. So A and E equal AC equal a 1, and F's a negative 1 because we swing it to the other side. It'll give us a radius squared of 1. So now what you can do is you can play around with all these values here. So if I make A bigger, becomes an ellipse. Okay. If I make A, I can drag B now, and B's the rotation piece. So if I change B in this direction, it's going to rotate it that way. If I swing B negative at that point there, it's going to rotate that guy that way, and that's all the cotangent ratio things that we're doing. So you should be able to grab C and play around with this. Change the ellipse. As soon as C becomes negative, though, you flip into a hyperbola here. So then we can rotate this hyperbola around this way. We can reset it back to, this would be a parabola now. We can reset it back to a circle and play around with some different things. So we could grab the C now. Okay, as soon as it becomes negative in this case, it changes into a hyperbola, opening up on the x-axis because the A is still positive. We can make the A more and more positive, and it comes in this way. And then these guys here, the E and the F, really just kind of scoot things up and down. So just wanted to take a couple minutes and show you guys that, if that helps with your understanding of stuff. So we make A smaller. C's now the biggest piece here. So we're going to rotate this ellipse this way. We can eventually change it into hyperbola. So if you want to play around with that, you guys are welcome to. I don't think you'd be able to get the Sketchpad file, but you can come in anytime tomorrow if that would help your understanding.